Hi, this is cs50W project commerce. So here I am running my website in this localhost. So this is the landing page where we can see active listings, login and register. So if we want to register an user, we can click on the register and I will just type in the username as sai@outlook.com. So I am setting password. So I am clicking on register. So we can see it is login as sai. So here are some of the listings that which we can see. So when I click on the categories, we can see all the categories that which we have. So when I click on the cars, it will navigate here and we can see the cars as Dodge Charger and Kia Soneto. So basically, like even from these active listings, I have created a choose a category options. Like when we click on electronics and select, it will just give the laptop which is electronics. So but the default value is set to all. When I click on that all, so it will actually get all of the items that is which is listed. So coming to this ad, when I click on the details, so I can see this car as Dodge Charger and the image of the product description, and the current owner is John, and this ad was created on December 24th, whatever date is, and the price is 6,000. And the bid and the reviews, we can see that two reviews posted by Bharat and Jane as the user. So if I want to add this car to my watch list, just clicking on add to watch list. So will basically get into my watch list and we can see the items which is in the watch list. So if I want to get the details of this watch list again, when I click on this, I can see these details. So currently the price of the car is like 6,000. So if I try to add a bid like 7,000, so when I click on add, we can see that message is like the bid is added successfully. And when we go back to the watch list, like or else like the active listings, so the page, like the price of the value is going to change to the 7,000 because the next bid should be greater than the 7,000. So that's the reason I'm changing this price to 7,000. So when we click on this add again, so here I can see the bid updates. In the bid updates, I can see that like it is bid from Sai 7,000. So and I am trying to sign in as the another user from another browser. So I'm clicking on login and I'm trying to sign in as the user as John. So here, what we can see is like these are the items as before. So when I try to click on the details, so John is the owner of this car right now, and we can see this listing. Like we have two options, like close listing and add to watch list. So when I click on the close listing, so I can see that congratulations, your auction is closed. So I am currently logged in as Sai, so I will try to refresh this page. So I can see that congratulations, you won the auction. I have also added a tab like on. So when I click on the owned option, like currently, like I have owned this Dodger from the bid. So that is the reason I have added this owned option and I am trying to display that. The user side is trying to add some more items. Like for example, I will try to create a listing of dining table. So I will just search for an image. So I will go to the images. I will try to get this image. Okay. Copy image address. And I'm trying to paste the image URL and description is like, this is a create to rent table. So I'm listing the price as 200 and the category is kitchen. So create listing. So now we can see our listing is as dining table. So if I select the categories and try to add the kitchen, so here we can see that list of the items. So I will try to add as I have created a super user as option manager. So all list of the listings, reviews and users, and we are able to modify these reviews or whatever, like whatever the options we have. So if I try to delete this, I will just delete. Yeah, I am deleting this. When I click on this, we can also change this. So I am trying to nice dress. I'm just trying to add wow, save. So if you go to auctions, so we can see that it is changed. So by this, we can access everything which is in the data by using the account from like auction manager.